I love laksa soup. It's really one of my comfort foods. Ini-imagine ko pa lang yung paghigop ko ng rich coconut milk soup. Ay, comforting na. Kaya naman when I saw a Nanyang branch sa Bonifacio 1 Technology Tower, dito ko inaya mag-launch yung hobby kasi never ko pa natikman yung laksa ng Nanyang. May two options sila for laksa, prawn or fishball. I like prawn more. Legit yung laksa nila is thick, rich coconut milk soup. May greeny texture yung soup which I like. Medyo nakulangan lang ako sa spice pero this is really good. Sobrang nasatisfy yung laksa cravings ko kasi ang plump ng shrimp and ang sarap ng laksa soup. Yung noodles niya, perfect yung pagkakaluto and the size is sakto lang for one person for 268 pesos. Okay na yung price for me kasi sa iba nasa 400 plus yung ganitong laksa bowl. Si Hobby naman natakam siya dito sa cheesy chicken chop noodle sa picture. Sakto lang to, nakulangan kami sa lasa ng chicken, but na-complement naman ng nacho cheese on top. Okay yung texture ng noodles, dark naman, pero nakulangan kami sa lasa. I think next time, mas o-order ko yung Hainanese chicken nila and nasi lemak. Na-tempt din ako umorder nitong toast set meal nila. Sobrang na-miss ko kasi yung kaya toast, kaso super busog na ako sa laksa. Mukhang interesting yung coffee nila, kaya next time I'll try to go here para magmerienda ng kaya toast and coffee. If you're craving for authentic Singaporean food, ang dami pa nilang ino-offer. I'll definitely go back for their laksa and ita-try ko yung kaya toast and coffee.